How to fix Roblox not launching or opening on your Windows computer. So if you're unable to launch Roblox, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. Now the first thing you need to do is go and locate Roblox Player on your desktop, and we're going to right click on this and then click on Open File Location. Now from this window you need to right click on Roblox Player Beta, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and then check the box next to Run this program as administrator. You also need to check the box next to Disable Full Screen Optimizations and then go and press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. You can then check to see if you can open up Roblox. Now if it's still not working, the next step is to come over to the Start menu, go and search for the word Settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Now using the search box, go and type in Roblox, and then you need to uninstall all of these different instances of Roblox. So we're going to click on the three horizontal dots and press uninstall, and then just press uninstall. Now once you've completely uninstalled Roblox, you can close out of this window, open up the Start menu, go and search for Run and click on the Run icon. In the search box, type in %, local app data, %, and then press enter. You then need to scroll down this list of folders until you see Roblox. Now from here, just go and right click on the Roblox folder and then click on the trash icon to delete it. Once this has been deleted, you can open up an internet browser, head over to the official roblox.com website and make sure you're signed into your account. You can then go and click on any of these experiences. You can then click on the play button and click on download Roblox. Once it's finished downloading, open up the downloads folder and click on this installation file. You can now just give that a couple of seconds while it reinstalls Roblox to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now the final solution is you can open up the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. You can then click on the search box and type in Roblox and press enter, and then click on this top one here, which is Roblox for Windows. You can now press the blue get button and then go and press install. Once that's finished installing, you can click on the blue play button and then you can check to see if you can load up Roblox from here. Now if you've tried all of the steps in this video and it's still not working, you want to make sure you've closed out of any third-party speed enhancing applications. So this could be applications like MSI Afterburner or River Tuner. If you have that installed on your computer, make sure all of these are completely disabled before trying to run Roblox, and that should go and solve your issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.